Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, My Digital Saga. My name is Nathan. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get paid on your website with the PayPal button. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool videos and tutorials that will help you achieve your business goals and financial freedom. Without further ado, if your website have the service plan like this, or you are selling single product or a digital product, you will want to have a payment button down here, and this one comes from a free template that I just downloaded earlier. Okay, so you can Google PayPal button and just dive right in. So they have so many kind of button: add to cart, donate, automatic billing, subscribe, and smart button. So just to keep things simple, I can show you the subscribe button, because for the business on here is coaching business and it runs by the subscription plan. Okay, so once I click on the subscription plan, I can type in the necessary information: item name, starter plan. You can add subscription ID if you want. And currency, they offer a wide range of currency, and you can customize the button text appearance. You can pick either subscribe by now, and you can even upload your own button image, which you have to host on a website and use the URL on here. Yeah. Okay, so you just go with the button and just get rid of the display of credit cards. I don't need that. And you have to match the price with your website. And you can pick billing cycle: per month, per year, per day, per week, and how many cycles would the billing stop. You can set a customer on a plan, and yeah, just use whatever you want on here. PayPal button is really flexible, and you can choose the trial period, and you can just give free trial and pick your email address to get paid with the PayPal. Okay, create button. And just select all the code here. Okay, and go to Visual Studio Code, where we edit the HTML template earlier. Go to the button, get started, delete the whole thing, and paste whatever is from the PayPal. Okay. You cannot change the text here. You really have to upload your image on the website and use the URL from the image. So you do not need to redo it again. Just paste your image URL on here. Okay, so click save and try it on the browser. I will refresh this on my browser. Oh, I put it into the wrong plan. It's okay, you can change it later. So click subscribe. So as long as it's going to PayPal, it's going to be fine. Note that once you place the button on the website, you can see how it looks, but for the button to work, you need the Premier or business account with PayPal. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching and best wish for you all. See you again in the next videos and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye now.